welcome back to the garage. Hey, we're out here working on the Jeep. We're going to try to put this crossover bar in. We're going to start it on this side, so let's see how that goes. We go get the bar and try it. Might be easy, might not. We don't know how much paint buildups here, and on the other part, might have to do some filing. But see how it fits. That looks like we don't fit. We have to definitely do some, definitely have to go do some grinding on this. All right, so this is the part that don't go in. So we have to see if we can get some of this paint off of here. Oh, got a lot of paint on there. All right, so we have to polish that a little bit better. File ain't gonna work. Let's fire up the air compressor. Grinder. This works like. Hear that dying air compressor over there. All right, we'll go see if this fits in, and we know how much to take off. All right, looks like it starts in. We'll get it in. Looks like we have a little bit of a fit up problem. All right, we're going to leave this loose. So once we get our wires through, we may have to do this to wiggle it to get it in the other side. But we're going to come in and clean that hole out a little bit over there maybe first. But let's go to the back, get our back one in. All right, let's try side number 2. Let's go get our pole. Again, come across here, down into here. Well, this one fits easy. That's a good deal. All right, so we went down, we got our fish tape. Basically what this has got a hook on the end. Run it up through the pipe, try to bring it out this hole here. We should be able to catch it there with a loop and pull it out, and then hook our wires and pull our wires back the other way. We got to do this from underneath, so start by spreading this out long and then take it from there. All right, so inside this hole is where our fish tape is, and we can feel the hook end right here. So what we're going to do is try to grab. Oh, look at that. All right, so there, got our fish tape through right here. So now we have to work on getting our And our wire's all unwrapped here and tied up to this, and then we'll pull them through. Here is to tape this through here and get it so it doesn't come off. So we're going to tape it up here quite a ways. Once we get it around this corner, it should be real easy. So we're going to do the end here just so that if we got to go back the other way, it's done. Should be able to on that at the bottom a little bit. See if this will go in. We'll leave a little up here so we can see it move. All right, looks like we're rolling. Good. Take this out. I'll go put a little lube on here and then slide this together. So let's get this out of here. Okay, it looks like that's going to slide in. Okay. All right, so because this will be kind of like a dual effort when we do this, we'll throw a rope over there around here. But this is where this one has to sit till we go do the rear. So you saw how we did this, do the rear the same way, so we're not going to show you. But fish tape will help you here unless you got real rigid wire. Now we still got all of our wires here to splice together to put our lights on our light bar. All right, so we're in the back. And before we do this, we're just going to try to see if we can turn this around the corner. Yep, it's right at the bend, so it looks like we're getting it around the corner. I'm just feeding it in right now. I don't know if it's going to come all the way through, but we're going to try. It's going in pretty nice right now. So we might not need to use a fish tape on this one, huh? Just maybe. Getting stuck right there. We're guessing it's trying to come out the hole down below. We're going to go see. It came through. All right, we came through down below, so we are golden now. All right, so here's where we're at. We're going to try to do this thing. Got to line up two poles at once. Helps to have a helper. All you got to do is line this up with a hole like this. And we're going to push it in, all right?
Can't you come up here?
It'd be easier. You can do it any way you want. Okay, see what that's got to go in the hole, okay? Ouch. Don't wait till I'm ready. Okay, now hang on, because I got to start my bolt.
Well, I'm not in it yet.
You're not in?
I don't see the hole to line up.
Yeah, well, it'll get there. It'll get there.
No, I can't press that in.
Okay, I'm in. All right. I'm in. Will it come out? No.
No.
All right, you can go. I got it. It was just hard to get that first little bit. Seeing that. We can see it, but it's very hard to get it to go all the way up. I think I might get a strap, but let's try to strap here. Hang on. We're going to take this rope around the other side and tie it to the other side so we can pull it this way. We'll be right back. Okay, it's in now. We'll go around, tighten up the other ones, and then don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. We'll get this all tightened up. Next thing will be to get the basket on. And then we got to work on our lights. So don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss the next episode. Hey, look at that. We used ropes. We pulled it taut. All we got to do is tighten it up. So don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss these. We're going to get the rack up there next. Got a trick to show you on that. How do you get it with two people with a 150-pound rack or 100-pound rack? How do you get it up there? It's easy when you know the secret. That'll be the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. See you soon. I got to go.